Top 5 vegetables to avoid for kidney health. Embarking on a journey to optimal health requires navigating the intricacies of our dietary choices, and when it comes to kidney health, certain vegetables demand our attention. While vegetables are the bedrock of a nutritious diet, not all are allies to our kidneys. In this exploration, we unveil the top 5 vegetables that, despite their nutritional virtues, harbor elements that can affect kidney health. Buckle up for an engaging and enlightening ride through the world of vegetables and their impact on our vital organs. Number 1. Spinach, the deceptive delight. Spinach, with its vibrant green leaves, often takes center stage in salads and smoothies. Packed with iron, vitamins, and antioxidants, it seems like a nutritional superhero. However, lurking within spinach are oxalates, compounds that, when accumulated, can crystallize in the kidneys, potentially forming stones. The irony lies in the fact that a vegetable so praised for its health benefits can pose a threat to kidney health. Oxalates, natural substances found in many foods, bind with calcium to create crystals. In the case of spinach, the oxalate content is relatively high. These crystals can accumulate in the kidneys, leading to the formation of kidney stones. While spinach consumption in moderation is generally safe for those with healthy kidneys, individuals prone to kidney stones or with kidney issues should exercise caution. Despite this cautionary note, it's crucial not to discard spinach entirely. It offers a plethora of nutrients beneficial for overall health. To strike a balance, consider rotating spinach with other leafy greens like kale or collard greens. These alternatives provide similar nutritional benefits without the same oxalate load, ensuring a varied and kidney-friendly diet. 2. Tomatoes. The red dilemma. Tomatoes, a culinary staple worldwide, contribute vibrant color and robust flavor to various dishes. However, their seemingly innocent appearance conceals a potential challenge for kidney health: potassium. While potassium is an essential mineral for nerve and muscle function, an excess can strain the kidneys, particularly for individuals with compromised kidney function. Tomatoes are potassium-rich, and excessive potassium levels can disrupt the delicate balance required for optimal kidney health. For those mindful of their kidneys, an alternative approach is crucial. Instead of eliminating tomatoes entirely, consider substituting them with lower potassium options such as bell peppers or cucumbers. This swap allows you to retain the essence of your dishes while safeguarding your kidneys from an undue potassium burden. Understanding the nuances of potassium content in various vegetables empowers individuals to make informed choices tailored to their specific health needs. By incorporating this knowledge, we can enjoy the culinary versatility of tomatoes without compromising our kidney health. Number 3. Potatoes. The silent culprit. While we carry on, please consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video to be informative and beneficial. Thank you. Potatoes, in their various forms, mashed, baked, or fried, have secured a permanent place on our plates. However, beneath their unassuming appearance lies a potential potassium predicament. While potassium is essential for maintaining proper fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions, excessive intake can be problematic for kidney health. White potatoes, commonly consumed in many households, can contribute significantly to potassium levels. For those aiming to protect their kidneys, the solution lies in the sweet potato. This alternative offers a wealth of nutrients without the same potassium load, ensuring a flavorful and kidney-friendly addition to your meals. Understanding the potassium content of different potato varieties empowers individuals to make informed choices aligned with their health goals. By making this simple swap, you can savor the beloved potato in a manner that supports, rather than strains, your kidneys. 4. Beets, the jewel with hidden risks. Beets, with their rich color and earthy flavor, have earned their place as a superfood. Bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, they offer a myriad of health benefits. However, their potential downside lies in their oxalate content, the same compound found in spinach. Oxalates, when present in excessive amounts, can crystallize in the kidneys, contributing to the formation of kidney stones. For beet enthusiasts, the key is moderation. Incorporating beets into a balanced and diverse vegetable intake, coupled with ample hydration, can help mitigate the potential risks associated with oxalates. While beets add a vibrant touch to salads and juices, understanding their oxalate content equips individuals to enjoy them responsibly. By embracing moderation and variety, you can relish the nutritional benefits of beets while safeguarding your kidney health. Number 5. Avocado. The creamy conundrum. Avocado, celebrated for its creamy texture and heart-healthy fats, has become a dietary darling. However, for individuals mindful of their kidney health, avocados pose a challenge due to their potassium content. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting various bodily functions, but excessive levels can strain the kidneys. Moderation is the key when it comes to avocados. While enjoying the creamy goodness, be mindful of your overall potassium intake from other sources. Balancing your fat sources with kidney-friendly alternatives like olive oil or nuts ensures a diverse and nourishing diet without overwhelming your kidneys. Understanding the potassium landscape of different foods empowers individuals to make conscious choices aligned with their health objectives. By incorporating this knowledge, avocado enthusiasts can continue to relish this nutritious fruit while keeping their kidneys in check. In the intricate tapestry of dietary choices, knowledge is the compass guiding us toward optimal health. The top 5 vegetables outlined, spinach, tomatoes, potatoes, beets, and avocados, each brings unique nutritional benefits and potential risks to the table. Rather than dismissing them outright, a nuanced approach of moderation and substitution allows us to savor their flavors while safeguarding our kidney health. By understanding the specific challenges each vegetable presents and making informed choices, we can create a harmonious balance that nourishes both our bodies and our kidneys. Remember, the key lies in variety, moderation, and consulting with healthcare professionals to tailor dietary recommendations to individual needs. Let's embark on this journey to kidney health with wisdom, ensuring our plates are not just visually appealing but also nurturing the core of our well-being. If you found this information valuable, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming video on protecting your kidneys. Until next time, stay healthy.